Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video, as you guys can see in the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can register in GoDaddy. In another word, how you guys can sign up in GoDaddy. So if you guys do not know what GoDaddy is an online platform where you can buy and sell domains, okay? So that's the short form of it, and if you guys want to know more information, you guys can do some research, okay? So yeah, let's start the video without any further ado. So first, go to a search engine or a browser. You know, I'm using Google Chrome browser, but you can use whatever you want, and you need to search for Daddy. After searching for GoDaddy, click on the first website where it says GoDaddy official site, get your perfect domain. Click on it. It's gonna take you over here. Now, once you come over here, you can click where it says sign in. You can click on it and have an account. Sign in now. Click on sign in if you already have an account. But if you don't, then what you want to do is click on create an account. So we're gonna click on create an account. Now over here, there is two methods. You can either use Facebook to sign in or WeChat. But I'm gonna create another account of GoDaddy, not using Facebook, not WeChat, but using my Gmail. So let me create real quick. Over here, enter your Gmail. Over here, enter your username. So I'm going to write my username, Kevin, and my password. After writing your password, you can click on create account. All right. Here, over here, it's going to say set up two-step verification. You must add a second factor to verify your identity. So how do you want to receive a verification code? So basically, it's for a security reason. So after setting up this two-step verification, people can hack your account easily. Okay. So there's two ways. How do you want to receive the verification code? Authenticator app, recommended SMS text message, or security key. So I'm just going to click on Authenticator app over here and install an Authenticator app from your phone. So you need to enter the Authenticator app from your phone, and then you need to scan this QR code. Okay, so let me do that real quick. You can do that as well. After downloading the Authenticator app like this, you can download any one. I download this Authenticator. It's Google's Authenticator. It could be any Authenticator app, all right? Start it. Scan a QR code. Then you can scan a QR code over here like this and enter the 6-digit code as I showed you over here. After scanning it, it's going to show you the code over here. So I'm going to enter the code. It could be any code for you, okay? Authenticator name. So I'm writing it Google Authenticator because that's the authenticator which I downloaded. Google Authenticator. Click on next. And you have successfully set up two-step verification on your account.